Hi everyone! Welcome to Mystic Oracle PH. Ito po yung bago ko na channel na ni-create ko po kasi ay accidentally nabura ko po yung account ko po. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo po that this is a Taglish Tarot reading po. Sana po lahat po kayo mga viewers will support me. Sana you find this reading helpful to each one of you. Please only take mga messages na nakaka-resonate po kayo, and if it's not, then leave it behind. Kasi hindi pa para sa inyo po. Let's begin the reading. Ito po ay general reading lang po at collective lang ang mga messages ang makukuha dito, and hindi lahat makaka-resonate po. Meron akong animal spirit guides. Tingnan natin kung ano ang animal spirits ang mag-guide sa inyo. We've got shark. Trust your instincts to discern the truth of the situation. Manalig daw kayo sa instinct nyo daw. Okay, so that's your animal spirit guide for today. Let's take a look at your tarot. Oh, wow, there's lots of... Okay. Meron tayong Eight of Cups. Meron tayong Ace of Swords. Two of Cups. And Queen of Wands. Meron tayong The Moon. Okay, we'll get one more. Okay. Meron tayong Queen of Swords. Okay. Ang energy nga nakikita ko po dito is may isa sa inyo nag-change ng heart. Yung parang may desisyon na babaguhin mo, or change of heart of like nabago yung desisyon mo, nabago yung pananaw ng ano mo, sitwasyon mo, na parang tinitingnan mo siya na parang like maybe it will benefit you in the future. Yun yung positive yung naiisip mo. Okay? ay para maging ano ka, this is like ito yung panibago mong direksyon na pipiliin mo. I feel like this is between a romance, dalawang tao na either magpapakasal or wanted to get engaged, parang ganun. O di kaya gusto nyo magkasosyo ng negosyo, something to do with that one. Kasi napaka strong, and the passion is really there. It's really strong. But at the same time, parang nagdadalawang isip ka. Kasi iniisip mo na, magiging successful ba to? Hindi kaya ako mag-regret at the end? Parang ganun siya. Yung iniisip mo. But you have a strong feeling na nasa tama yung pag-ano mo, yung decision mo. You're working in the correct path. Parang this is between partnership. So, negosyo or relationship. Yun yung nakikita ko dyan. We'll take a look more. I feel like yung tagumpay mo is within your reach na. Basta manalig ka lang sa instinct mo. And make sure na yung decision mo talaga, you stick to it. Hindi yung magdadalawang isip ka. Okay, more. What else? What else message? Okay. Meron tayong Ace of Wands. See? Tagumpay. Ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng bagong opportunity na bagong opportunity, magbabago sa buhay mo. Meron tayong Seven of Pentacles. Desidido ka to get this. Desidido ka na, at saka may faith ka pati na maging tagumpay ka. Basta, manalig ka lang sa instinct mo and be positive. Kasi at the same time, parang at the same time kasi, okay, sa the moon, parang minsan nagdadalawang isip ka, parang, syempre natural tayo, that's normal yan. Kasi na, syempre you're about to embark a new beginning, a new decision. Hindi to pa bigla-bigla na decision mo, pinag-isipan mo to. Kasi there's no turning back. Once you're going that one, that's it. You're not going back anymore. So parang at the same time, nagdadalawang isip ka. But sabi naman dito that you will get there. This is it. Ito yung panibago ng kapalaran mo is waiting for you. It's already within your reach. Natatakot ka na ma-disappoint ka in the future. Normal lang yan ng mga feelings na ganyan. Kaya sabi dito, your animal spirit guides saying that manalig ka lang sa instinct mo. Don't let the negativity take you or overtake you. Kasi wala din. If you choose the negative, then wala din kayo. Wala din. You will never go step on that new beginning of that pathway. Of that path. Meron tayong the Fool. O, ayan. Ano na talaga siya? Confirm na talaga siya na ito na nga yung magbibigay sa iyo ng magandang future mo. Ito na yung inaantay mo na new beginning, a new path that will take you to a next level of your sitwasyon na gusto mo na may mabago. So this is it. This is your opportunity now. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this reading kasi yun lang talaga ang energy ang nakukuha ko for you today, and I hope that you can resonate, and I hope you still continue to support me by liking, comment down below if you want to, and subscribe. Help me build up my channel once more. And I will see you in my next reading. Fight for now.